Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a viral video content using Edits. All right. First up, go ahead and open up your Edits app. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign right here to start creating a project. Just tap on it and your device gallery will open. Just go ahead and select the images or videos that you wanted to add on your timeline or editing timeline. Okay. Now, for example, you are in the storytelling niche. Okay. I'm just going to add in some random videos right here or photos like about my family right here. And once that's done, I'm going to hit on the check mark right here at the top right. And now you are on the editing section. All right. Now in here, if you wanted to make the clip shorter, you can go ahead and tap on the clip, locate the section where you wanted to cut and hit on split. Okay. Hit on delete. We'll do this to the other pictures as well. So it will be shorter. All right. It's not going to turn out boring. Now, once that's done, you have your clips right here. And what do we do next? To create a viral video, you'll have to add background music. Okay. You have that option in here in the Edits app. All right. All you have to do is either click on this plus add audio button at the top of our clips or the audio button right here at the bottom left. All right. I'm going to show you. Now, if your preferred music is not listed in here, go ahead and use the search function. For example, I'm going to look for this music. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the arrow key right here to add it on our timeline. Now here, depending on the length of the videos and photos on your timeline, this one will stretch out. And here you'll be able to select which part of the music you will add in your editing section. All right. As you might notice, we have these dots right here, pink dots. All right. These dots right here is popular amongst users who have used this particular music. All right. You can go ahead and try it. Like for example, this one. And when it turns this color, okay, that means that you're using the part that everyone else uses. All right. Once that's done, just hit on the done button right here at the top right. Now you have your music. Okay. As you might have noticed, all of the viral videos have these effects on the video or the photo itself. Okay. We have that option in here. We have the tap on the clip. And here we have the effects. Okay. We have the blur. We have these steady in, film grain, and some of the good stuffs. For example, I'm going to add in pulse zoom to this clip. I'm going to tap on the check mark. And I'm going to play it like that. Okay. Now add in some more. Maybe a transition like pan up. All right. You can add transitions by tapping on this icon. And once you have the transition in between clips, you'll have this icon. Okay. I'm going to tap on once more. I'm going to add in zoom out. And I'm going to play it just for you to see. Okay. Just like that. I'm going to add in some more effects right here. Like drift down. Okay. Now, since we are under a storytelling niche, what do we do next? You will have to add a voiceover. Okay. Now, how do we do that? Just go ahead and tap on voice right here at the bottom. Okay. Tap on it. And once you tap on this record button, it will automatically record your voice. All right. I'm going to show you. I'm going to tap on it like that. Just go ahead and add in your voiceovers or your story right here until the clips end. Okay. Now, what if your music right here is much louder than your voiceover? Well, all you have to do is just tap on the music. All right. Make sure that it is highlighted. Now go ahead and go to volume, lower it down, and then hit on the check mark. Okay. And after that, you have a ton of options here. All right. For example, we're going to tap picture. We have these filters that you can add. Okay. Very good filters right here. Now, if you want that, just go ahead and tap on the check mark again. If you want to manually, for example, this photo, I'm just going to tap on it and hit on adjust. Here we have the brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, fade, like that, vignette, highlights, shadows, and sharpen. Okay. Once you're happy with it, just tap on the check mark and you will have your viral storytelling content. You know, there's something missing. What is that, you might ask? Well, you have to put captions, all right? As we all know, captions are engaging. Let's say, for example, at this section, I'm going to add in some text right here at the bottom option. Tap on it and go ahead and add in hi, maybe hi, welcome to my page, just like that. Hit on the done button. And if you want to, you can go ahead and customize the text. Okay, you have the and some other good stuffs. Just going to change the font real quick, like deco right here. Hit on done. All right, there you go. If you want to make it bigger, just tap on the text itself and hit on edit. Use the slider right here or pinch it with your fingers. Okay, just like that. Now go ahead and add in some more in the next section, like sample. Now, if the text is pretty long, or you just wanted to do the text to end in this section, just go ahead and tap on the text function, tap and hold, and slide. Okay, next one. Let's tap and hold, move it closer, just like that. Cut it, and you're done. Let's play. Okay, there you have. And that's just a sample a viral video content using edits. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.